My name is Mary. I'm a tour guide from Gaviota Tours, and today we're getting to know the countryside of Cuba. So we're visiting a municipality called Florencia and then Moron City.
Let's go and see all of this beauty.
Right now we're crossing the causeway. This was the first causeway they built in Cuba in 1988 to connect this island, Cayo to the Cuban mainland, and that way they start developing tourism in the island. So this crown is the symbol of this tour destination known as Jardines del Rey. So now we leave the causeway behind us, so we are in real Cuba right now. So be welcome to Cuba.
And a half, we arrived at the farm. So how many types of excursions do you have regarding this farm?
So you can either go by bus straight to this farm. So in one day you can visit not only the countryside, and also you have lunch included, you have a boat ride included. It's really fun. Or you can go by jeep in the jeep safari. So you visit this farm and then you have lunch in the middle of a dam. That's really awesome too, because you have to take a boat in order to go there.
And you can check our other video that we actually took the excursion with a jeep safari.
First, we're gonna show you a very special kind of bee. So I'm talking about the ground bee. So these bees, they only produce half a liter of honey during a year. And we're gonna try it. You can see the color of the honey is lighter. So this is from the coffee plants.
Wow, so delicious.
So this is my favorite plant because I love coffee. We Cubans, we love coffee.
Me too.
Yes, I know. So inside the tree you can see all of the coffee beans. So first they are green, then they turn yellow, and finally red. And the red ones are the ones that are ready to pick up.
And I'm gonna show you my tractor that I'm actually using to do all of the harvestings here in the farm.
So now we're getting deeper in the farm. So you're gonna see this is like a jungle here, so more trees.
I can tell, it looks so beautiful.
This one is a tropical fruit. This is mamey. It takes 3 years for the mamey to be ready. This is avocado. So in this farm, they have avocado all year long. Actually, the ground bees that we saw before, where they live is here inside the tree. And there's always a guardian, like over there.
Oh, okay.
That's passion fruit.
Oh, the passion fruit.
Yes.
Yeah.
In Cuba, we call it maracuya.
Maracuya.
And the juice from the passion fruit is so yummy. Here we have all of the horses ready for tourists to do the horseback riding through the farm, which is one of the most favorite parts.
That is my friend Lucero.
Right now we are in a tobacco house. We call it like that because all of this leaf, we put it to dry inside the tobacco house because it has to get dry but have to be soft. So they do it at a certain temperature with a certain humidity. So as we say in Cuba, here we have the queen of the fruits, pineapples.
Once the pineapple is ready, they pick it up. And from here they already picked it up. And these are the new plants. And what they do, then they put it in the soil and they grow a new one. From the time you plant this little thing until it grows up and gives you the fruit, 18 months.
So this is the cashew. Is the only tropical fruit with the seed outside. We call it marañón.
Oh my gosh, more fruits. Oh, that's my favorite. Gracias. That is the star fruit. It's so delicious. You cut it and it's like, it tastes like similar to orange and mandarin, but it's better. So apparently in Cuba, if you want to say that someone is very handsome, you're saying, oh, you're my mango. Oh, Danny, you're my mango.
Yes, I'm your mango tree, yes.
And this is a new tropical fruit that I'm going to show you. And it grows up on this tree.
It is called
Chirimoya.
What is your favorite?
All of them.
No, he
Everything is
doesn't
so
know.
good. Now I'm confused. I don't know. I like everything. Unfortunately, I can't grow them in Canada. And after this nice tour at the farm, so we're coming back to the farmhouse and I'm drinking now. I almost drank it, like a very delicious mango natural juice.
Oh, yes. So guys, actually this is a tour that I recommend a lot because in one day you can visit the countryside and the city and you can learn a little bit about the real Cuban life. Okay, right now we're making a tour around the city in a horse carriage. That is really interesting for you because it's one of the main transportation that we have in Cuba.
Oh, there you go. Same one.
We're blondies.
Blondies. Blondies.
So actually by carriage we come here to the center of the city of Moron. So this is Jose Marti's park because this is our national hero. And behind us the really nice yellow building is the Telecommunications Building. Right now we're gonna go to a very special place to have lunch and I'm talking about a restaurant in a lake. One of the most fun parts of the tour is the speedboat ride through the tunnel because there's like a tunnel over there.
Oh my God.
So it's amazing.
Okay, my name is Roberto. In the lake, the nombre La Redonda es natural. A fish and tilapia, carpet, tarpon. In the lake, fly fish and the tarpon, big tarpon. Y crocodile. Iron scorpion.
Those scorpions? Oh, I like the tour. Is amazing. I have not expected to go through this beautiful tunnel, like from so much nature. It's very beautiful. Like, I have no words to say anything anymore. Like, I'm just enjoying. Just let me enjoy. That was such a nice boat ride. Thank you so much. Gracias. Almost over. We're heading back to the hotel and we are going to stop where?
One more place, okay? This is the Pina Colada special place because it's in the middle of the causeway, so you will love.
Finally, we arrived at our last place. And what is this?
When they built this causeway, they did it from Cayo to the Cuban mainland and from the Cuban mainland to Cayo. And the point where they met is where they built this bar for the Pina Colada. So people can come here, relax, have a Pina Colada, have a photo up in the chair. So they never want to leave this place.
Thank you so much, Mario, for the excursion. It was really a pleasure for us.
We're so happy whenever we get to do this tour because we show you a little bit of Cuba, right? So we share a piece of Cuba with you guys. So that's why I recommend this tour so much, so you can see the Cuban reality.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give it a thumb if you like this excursion, you should. Like, it's really nice. Bye.